After 4 building hours, eto na siya. This is the mechanical owl clock by Rocker. This is a level 4 out of 5 assembly difficulty and 161 pieces yung parts nito in total. Sa harap ng kit, meron kang fully functional clock which is powered by a battery. Tapos yung movement niya, it's quartz movement. To replace the battery, all you have to do is remove yung lock sa head ng owl and then slide mo yung buong body ng owl hanggang sa matanggal mo siya and mapapalitan mo na yung battery. Ang mechanical aspect naman ng kit na to is nasa likod, which is the timer. Para magamit mo yung timer, first is you set kung ilang minutes. Next is you twist this ng clockwise. And finally, itong part na to, i-twist mo rin ng clockwise. Then, release the pendulum. At maririnig mo yung mga satisfying click ng mga gears. And yung maximum duration ng timer is 30 minutes. Yun lang.